Listen to vibe, listen to music. You understand me? If you want go listen to punk pak pak, go listen to punk pak pak. Make a listen to ta ta.
So if Shatta Wale no fee buy house give him me, then what Shatta can do for this life, Agasa? That be the vibe at the Wombies. So the story is all about Shatta Wale. We know say Shatta be the Don, the king of Ghana music, or say or Shatta. Where your man Imomi Kamas can grant some interview with Kofi TV say the house she they stay for inside where Shatta buy for him, they claim for the next say he buy house give him mommy no. That not be say like he buy house they drop the mommy for the house inside where the mommy they cry. Like as I see the video now, the thing they make me sad and kasa. It they make me you they watch what he said on the interview with Kofi TV.
Mommy, Anapa, I'm watching you.
Patrol, good morning.
Bomba called there.
Baby, Akoso.
Ada dia na aba ama UBP Akoso. Yeah, to this as Brabo Moya den, we be out here den, you say boy amani problem here den.
Me pano so to fear mommy. Me dem akota now almost 6 years me. But me who be a fedi obi abase. If you know obeji woni ho na on tiasika. Ya friend sa o ma bre me letter me dey akoma no. Na friend sa on fa. O mo so friend sa on fa. Say oba ya o so oje ni fi. Na me nyama go abontin na me nyama ho.
Auntie say yeah you near man nyina gu abonten.
Oh, that too is currently me ni baby.
If you know so man for share on Facebook and I send you TV be hu say Shatta Wale dwumtuni ene ne maame ejina efie no ho ene na ma one of say nim say wa ma ofie fefefe asan ma o ka asan de aka ho enti ye te say ne mamu aye den a wusu no na wan kakra.
Try to grow me to you,
And it can also at the mount knowing. Can know her, can they know her? And to dine now or more baby, okay, can in a kia we know, and not they know how you should. Now, what friend are they up to him?
Oh, Fafo. If you run over an hour, Fafo, no dear friend, I won't Fafo. I could feel, sir, yes, you only.
Are there any problem you have?
Do you need any problem? Me tear me out, me tear me ya. In your baby, in that.
And say, yeah, what the hell, the action?
I mean, calling the ball. Person,
What that will come?
I for this video, me demosa.
Unyani about himself, but on canona, or the apedaya high.
You'll be upon Tosa, but Tomamia. Be talking to me, meaning that the amico genasa me toka.
Wow. Are the kind of papers out there?
I try.
Well, demons super pepper.
I try.
One say, oh, friend, on fa na because you who say, why stories na sella, Jenna, yes, you know, be ho and come on every free sabia, a year agrobi na udidi, but said you was not pay no my who say, no question.
That be the vibe at the Wombies. So, this news way they go on me the thing they make me somehow sake of we never hear from Shatta Wale side, so make we pray say Shatta go come out can talk say the thing be true sake of I first see the picture for online say they evacuate Shatta Wale and Momi for the house where Shatta buy give am. Wait, I don't want to make video concerning that thing sake of I know they believe say that thing be true. Sake of if the whole Shatta Wale in Momi then drop am for the house he dey stay. Where Shatta Wale fit talk say he get 5 houses, he get 6 houses, he get this cars, he get this thing. When this week interview where the Momi go grant with Kofi TV, they talk say they drop am for the house. Where now say she dey beg say if somebody fit even give am 1 room maybe she go fit go hide it. Oh Charlie. This thing na kasa way they go on, I know they get to. It be true say even if this thing be true, the Momi feel cover this thing. So of Momi then things there, I know say them be level women where they feel cover some things then things that but how the Momi can't talk this thing, I sure say this thing be true. Wait, it be true thing so. If it be say Shatta they want trend with this thing, so of Shatta Wale there anything be he go feel use that thing trend. That be the vibe for Shatta Wale now. So of if Shatta they talk, he they sweep, he they drink, he they eat anything, even if he they sleep, he don't want trend with that thing. Because if you be say this thing no be true, but how the Momi they cry, no, it they make somehow ankasa. Wait, even if you know if you buy the house, at least if you rent the house, give the Momi. So come Charlie, Momi then things there, we don't joke plus Momi yo like. Old girl there, you know the fit joke with your old girl. Every time there you go, if you make sure say your old girl DG, your old girl they settle down. So if you yourself you know fit settle down, make sure say your old girl she settle down where she the sleeper, he might not go feel word, you go feel calm down. So people they do things give them a Momis where a whole big man like Shatta Wale no fit buy house give him Momi upon the expenses they do. So that be the trending vibe for today. They say they evacuate Shatta Wale in Momi for the house they stay for inside where Shatta Wale they claim say he buy give the Momi. So anybody where you get help if you go grant give the woman. By the grace of God we have come out with a new channel called Quad Drive and I'm explaining the Italian driving lessons from Italian to English. And if you are new here on this platform and you want to have a driving license, YouTube and also Facebook Quad Drive, just type Quad Drive and follow the channel. That be the vibe today. I'm your guy Quad and you can simply call me Quad Nation. I'm out. Peace. Ciao.
First to break the news, number who on the web. What Nation TV always ready to deliver. That be the vibe, bug are you for Bob.